So this house in the back of me, some inland homes. We're gonna go inside and have a look at it. Very nice looking on the outside. I saw quite a few of these as I was driving around. Check out my driving video. A lot of these inland homes look pretty nice. Okay, so there's a sales office over here, so I'm not going to be going in there. So here's a bedroom, as you can see. So here's your bathroom, and then this room is the sales office. Let's see what we have over here on the right. The garage. I thought this is pretty cool how they have the garage set up. Check that out. I'm trying to move faster before the battery dies. Here's your laundry room. And over here we have the living room, dining room, and the kitchen. There's your pantry. It's beautiful. It's a real luxury looking kitchen. I'm going to continue this way. Master bedroom. Beautiful, beautiful bathroom. I like the sinks. Toilet in the closet. And we have a big closet. Very nice shelves. Racks, so to speak. Not really shelves, they're racks. Let's go check out the covered patio. Look at the size of that. Some big square. And what do we have over here? Oh, that's nice. Look at that. There's a little, I guess a little storage room thing. Or it could be like a small little mini office. If you wanted to set it up that way, put a small desk in there. Great house. Wow. And I think this is under 1,800 square feet, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. 1,769. That's the floor plan. And of course, always contact me first before you contact any home builder. When you contact any home builder first, you may avoid your paid for by the builder realtor representation. So